Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of the Suzuki RG500 XR27 as ridden by Sheene in the 1970s. It's a 1/9 scale from ITALERI. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing to show you what's in the box. First of all, got the instructions. Layout of the contents, the various sprues within the box. Basic instructions, the decals. Just take it off. We've got, quite nice, shiny. Maybe I won't be using these. I'll probably use the numbers and the number boards and the smaller decals, but not the larger ones. I think I'll hand paint the actual stripes, the black and the yellow. Let's move that to one side. A few more instructions. It's quite a simple assembly. Parts are laid out really well. Springs in the front forks, so I guess they must compress to actuate. More instructions. Masking, bit of paint work on the tank. I'm guessing we paint the tank black on the top. Really quite simple instructions, to be fair. And again, just showing you how to lay the graphics out. Graphics or decals, whatever you want to call them. And again, there's your decal layout on the back of the instructions. Again, we'll move that to one side. I've got the first sprue, which is the bodywork, which is all in red, moulded in red. It'll be getting painted anyway. And the sprue, various parts, engine parts and various other parts. It's a bit of a light glare. Some mob with the sprue, brake discs and various parts, engine parts, wheel components, exhausts, engine parts, brake parts, and we've got tyres, rubber. Quite a simple kit, to be fair. And the chain, which is actually cast, it's actually rubber, so it'll stretch across the sprockets when you come to fit it. And we've got some springs and tubing in the other packet. And that's about everything in there. So it looks like it's going to be quite a simple kit to build. When I actually start building this, I'll start putting, I won't go through the whole build, but what I'll do is I'll put some individual builds on as I go. The engine and the frame, when the engine's in the frame, and then some painted bodywork, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.